Why pros swear by the Pelican 1780 case? Is this the last case you'll ever need? Ever packed your precious gear for a trip and felt that sinking fear creep in? You know the feeling: frustration, paranoia, and exhaustion as you double wrap cameras, drones, or vital equipment, praying your cheap plastic case won't crack or leak. One bump, one splash, and your expensive tools could be toast. Maybe you've already had that nightmare come true: water damage, crushed parts, or worse. The problem? Most cases aren't built to handle reality. They're flimsy, unreliable, and downright stressful to trust. Sound familiar? Then friend, you've been lied to by weak gear, and your creativity's paying the price. Let's make it hurt. What happens when that case fails? Missed shoots. Broken lenses. Lost opportunities. The kind of crushing stress that keeps you up at night wondering why you risked your livelihood on bargain bin storage. You lose trust in your tools. Deadlines loom. Clients demand answers. Whether you're trekking across deserts, flying to remote shoots, or just hauling gear across town, relying on low-end gear is a fast track to burnout. The sad part? Your competition has already upgraded, while you're stuck hoping duct tape and good vibes will keep your tools safe. Now imagine this. The Pelican 1780 case, your one-and-done gear guardian. Crafted from copolymer polypropylene with that signature twin-ribbed shell, it's not just rugged, it's legendary. Crushproof. Watertight. Dustproof. From Arctic freezes to desert infernos, this case scoffs at danger while protecting your tech. Built-in stainless steel bearings, for polyurethane wheels, and double-throw latches mean no more lugging or struggling. Toss it, drop it, roll it, the Pelican 1780 laughs in the face of disaster. Add customizable foam and reinforced padlock protectors, and you've got next-level peace of mind in every trip. Why does the pros trust Pelican? Simple. They know gear failure is not an option. Whether it's a defibrillator, a red camera, or grandma's priceless heirlooms, Pelican delivers trust when it matters most. With its automatic pressure equalization valve, detachable lid, and USA-made craftsmanship, this case doesn't just meet expectations, it smashes them. Designed for those who refuse to compromise, the Pelican 1780 case simplifies your workflow by letting you focus on your mission, not your equipment's survival. Curious how it could change your game? Stay with us. Still thinking about cheaper alternatives? Don't. The Pelican 1780 case isn't a luxury, it's the last line of defense between you and total disaster. And here's the kicker. Stocks are limited, demand is fierce, and pros worldwide already trust their livelihoods to Pelican. Don't wait until your next broken lens or soaked drone to realize what you're missing. By now, lock it down and join the thousands of creators, explorers, and professionals who refuse to gamble with their gear. Seize your Pelican 1780 today. Your gear and your sanity deserve nothing less.